Redefining small and medium tube cutting. All new LONX K6 6th Gen for ultimate efficiency. 7-second loading upgrade. With a fully automatic loading system. Front-end cutting and rear-end loading run simultaneously, completing the cycle in just 7 seconds. Seamless. Second-level transitions enable high-speed mass production of small and medium tubes. Equipped with a high-precision universal chuck, eliminating the need to change jaws. Maximum acceleration of 1.5 G, ensuring efficient production. Dual chucks deliver stable feeding for high-speed cutting. Ultra-short tailing, 45 mm, maximizes material use. With LONX Xiaoqi, 24/7 Smart Assistant for professional guidance. Lowering the usage barrier with instant responses to text and voice queries. Simplicity and efficiency perfected. LONX K6.